Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Sellfy, and this is the best platform for you. To access it, you can head over to the link in the description and get extended free trial and exclusive benefits and rewards. So make sure to try this platform out. Okay, now talking about the dashboard, we are first going to be providing our email address and verifying it since it is really important. Now on the left side of our screen you can see the analytics, and this is going to be displaying various analytics for your store, like for example visits. Let me zoom in to make it more clear. After that you have your purchases, your conversions, and your revenue. Now all of these are basically based on the analytics of your store and how it is going to be performing once you create your store. All of these will be in action and providing you the essential data you are going to be needing. So make sure to give it a try, have a look on these. We have more options as well, like for example if you want to add the products, you can do that. You can add your digital product, print on demand, subscription based, or any of these. You can also manage subscriptions and various other things, like for example I have customized it for print on demand type of business, so that's why it is showing you this type of print on demand options. You can also manage your orders, your customers, and your store settings. So all of this is going to be providing you more control on your storefront so you can perform the best in the market. So I really recommend this site. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and as well exclusive free rewards and benefits. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to give it a try, subscribe, and see you in the next video.